Integrations. The system integrates with several external services to extend its capabilities and connect with other platforms. You can set up payment providers to receive online payments from patients using Stripe, PayPal, Paystack. You can configure an email provider to send appointment confirmations, notifications, and reports using services such as Brevo, SendGrid, Mailgun, Amazon SES, or your own custom email provider. You can also configure SMS providers to send reminders and alerts to patients using services such as Vonage, Twilio, MessageBird, or your own custom SMS provider. Digital fax services can also be integrated to send and receive faxes electronically, using providers such as Interfax, Faxio, FaxPlus, Notifier, Cinch. The automation engine allows you to automatically send messages when specific conditions are met. For example, you can automatically send appointment reminders, prescription notifications, payment confirmations, or follow-up messages after patient visits. The system can also integrate with Zoom to enable telehealth consultations and video meetings between doctors and patients. For appointment bookings from your website, you can integrate Calendly so that bookings made online automatically appear inside the system.